flood damage over in Cedar City, but I got distracted and had to talk to somebody. He owns this Ford truck, and he was telling me all about it. He built that little trailer, and that thing is neat. That's his brother that owns that house. There's some good people there. Alright, let's see how bad the water is down here still. Oh, there's people over in the garden area today. That's one of the places I took that elderly couple when the flood was real bad. Oh yeah, it's gone down a lot, but it's still way up. Yeah, it's gonna be a long time before this comes receding out. But yeah, you can see it's dropped down several feet from what it was. Gonna be a long time before they get that river access cleaned up. Show you something real quick. Even over here in the park area, you can see the benches are right at the edge of the water, and usually that's just all beautiful grass and everything. A lot of flood water to get gone yet. Figured I'd do this video since I had to come to Jeff to get my medicine anyway, so and pick up my silly dog after a while. They got the roads cleaned up at least. Last time I was over, there was big old trees and logs and everything else all over the place. Just by all the grass that's dead and down to bare dirt now. Still stink like fish down here. Go check out where the levee broke here a while back. Oh, interrupted the buzzard's meal. Got it fixed where the bridge is open now. Right here is where the levee had broke that day. You can see the repairs they did. That water went way down from what it was. This is the first time that I've got to drive this road where the water ain't been over it. You can see the water lines on the buildings and everything. Old Sam Gaines soccer fields are still a mess. I didn't even notice that. I'll show you something real quick. Kick on my wiggy bags. Alright. Let me see if I can zoom in. an old fire truck and stuff over there at Sam Gaines soccer fields that is still underwater. That's a shame. I'd like to add that old fire truck. I'd still like to have that old fire truck. I just couldn't rebuild it. Do some more exploring. You can see the water line over by the highway there, how high it was. Still quite a mess out there.